Navigation assistant for visually impaired individual. Being blind not only lessen individuals' capacity to perform different tasks every day, but also influence their personal ability to interact with their environment. There are organizations that helps blind people such as RBI, Resources for the Blind Incorporated. They are a Christian, non-government organization who provides services, materials, trainings and equipment for vision treatment across the country. And the National Committee for Sight Preservation, NCSP, is a non-profit, non-government umbrella organization of organizations involved in the prevention of blindness and promotion of eye health in the Philippines. To help blind people as they do, we created Navii, which is a portable device that guides blind people using audio as an output. Using Raspberry Pi, its power supply and buttons, we created the hardware of Navii. This device was made from both hardware and software system with the help of Google APIs, Python and Java coding. We use a global data stream network called PubNub, which helps the user to interact to the software just using buttons. Every time the user pushes a button, it sends a request to the cloud and receive information that the device will tell. How to use Navii. This is the user interface in the device. Number 1 button, when pushed, the GPS tracker will stop, and it will tell the user different point of interest near the user within a 100-meter radius. Here's an example, in the city we got a total of 19 places within the range. Button number 2 is for selecting a place on the list using the orange hover you see in the example of the nearby places that the user got when button 1 is pushed. Button number 3 is for starting the route guide for the selected place. This function will guide the user from the user's current position to the selected place. It will tell you the distance from point to point and the distance on where the user should take a turn. For button number 4, this will reset the whole system where the user should push button 1 again to get the nearby places. This button is also used when the user arrived to the selected destination to restart the whole process. And button number 5 is only for shutdown. We customized a gene to be like this so that it can support the device. This is what will it look like when the user is wearing it, together with the device. Here's a demo video on how the device works.